Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showcasing you how we can scrap this website with load more button. So some websites have this kind of load more button to show more listings. So how we can tackle this using Octoparse and scrap this. So I will show this to you in this step-by-step tutorial. Now before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I've been doing web scraping for the past 4 years. So if you want to work with me or want to hire me for any projects, you can contact me on my email that is shown on the screen. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing is that you will see the website layout actually. So I can see clearly here there is a load more button. So first what you will do is copy this URL, open up your Octoparse screen. Now your Octoparse dashboard will look like that. Now the next thing that you have to do is click on new, click on custom task. After that you will put your URL here and then wait until it is fully loaded. Now once the URL is here loaded, now I will click on once it is loaded, I'll just wait. Okay, now I'll click on auto detect web page data. So you can see we have got the image, the county, and we don't need this, and we don't need the okay, we need the image logo URL. So now we need to also do click on load more button. We need to keep this option as ticked. So we click on create workflow. Once that is done, we will see click on your loop item and see that it has created us a load more button XPath. So now if I click here and click once more, you can see it is not working because the XPath that Octoparse created is not correct. Now to solve this, what I will do is right click here, click on inspect, and then you can see we have got the load more ID. So I will just copy that. Now for this, I am just showing you a brief overview on XPath, but if you want me to make a dedicated video on XPath tutorial, I will also make it, so let me know in the comments. So anyways, now open up our Octoparse account and go to click here load more. Now you can see that if you go back, you can see it is in the A tag. So you can see it is in the A tag. So we'll open up Octoparse and we'll do so how to craft XPath. So we'll do double forward slashes. Then it is in the A tag. So we'll create right A tag, and then this left braces, and then add sign, and then paste what we copied the ID, and then close it with another bracket. So if I click on apply now and click on save, you can see now it is created this load more, and we don't need to repeat it, so we can click untick it and click on apply and save. Now if I click on loop item and click on load more, you can see it will work, and it will, you can see, is detecting and like loading more listings for us. Now if I click on run and run the task, I will show you the results that is actually clicking on load more button and scraping the data for us. So as you can see guys, it is correctly clicking on load more button. So if I show you on click on show browser and go up, you can see it's correctly clicking on load more button. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.